In today's video, we're going to be working on order of operations. On the right hand side of the notes, you see that we have Pemdas, and it stands for P for parentheses, E for exponents, N for multiply, D for divide, and A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, we're always going to work from left to right, and it does not matter if you do multiplication or division. Remember, as long as you're always working from left to right. Okay, so for number one, we have 20 minus 13 times 10 divided by 5. Okay, so in this situation, we would be multiplying 13 times 10. So we're just going to bring down the 20. We're going to bring down the subtraction. And 13 times 10 is going to be 260. Bring down the division by 5. Okay, now that we did that, we have 20 minus 260 divided by 5. What's the next step? If we look on the right hand side, it says that we have to divide or multiply first before we subtract. So we're going to go ahead and divide 260 divided by 5. Okay, so when we have that, you do 20 minus 260 divided by 5 is going to be 52. Okay, now 20 minus 52, you know that this number is already bigger than this, so you know your answer is going to be a negative. Okay, so then we're going to just go ahead and subtract 52 from 20, and it's going to be negative 32. Okay, for number 2, we have 7 plus 21 divided by 7 minus 8. Once again, we're going to do our division first, according to the steps of how solving the order of operations. And we're going to go ahead and do 7 plus 21 divided by 7 is going to be 3 minus, and we bring down the 8. So now we can remember you do addition or subtraction, but we're always working from left to right. So we're going to go ahead and add these two. That's going to be 10 minus 8. And then 10 minus 8, of course, is going to give you 2. Okay. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to go hit the like and subscribe. In example 3 and 4, go ahead and do what I always tell you. Go ahead and challenge yourself and try to go ahead and solve them and see if you got the same answer as I did. If you didn't have the same answer, go ahead and check where you did your mistake and correct your mistakes. Okay. So for number 3, we have 30 divided by 10 minus 6 times 2. Here, like I said, if you look on the right hand side, like I said before, multiply comes first or divide, but it doesn't matter if you multiply or divide first, as long as you always work from left to right. Okay, in this situation, division comes first before multiplication and subtraction. So we're gonna go ahead and divide first. So when we divide that, we have 30 divided by 10. It's going to go and give us 3 minus, and then we can go ahead and do 6 times 2, which is going to give us 12. I know right away that 3 minus 12, 12 is bigger, so I know my answers are going to be negative. So we're going to have a negative, and then we're just going to subtract 3 from 12, which is going to give us 7. Okay. For number 4, we're going to go ahead and have 10 minus 15 divided by 15 times 4. Once again, you have division first before multiplication. So we're going to go ahead and divide first. So we got 10, and when you divide 15 divided by 15, it's going to give us 1. And then we're going to go ahead and bring down your multiplication of 4. Okay. Now we have 10 minus 1 times 4. Remember, we're going to do multiplication first. So we bring down the 10 again, minus, and then we're going to multiply 1 times 4, which is going to give us 4. And now 10 minus 4 is going to give us 6. That is our answer for number 4. Okay. And remember, if you're still having problems with this order of operations video, go ahead and go back and repeat watching the video as many times as you need to so you can get better. I'm also going to go ahead and put a link down below on more examples of order of operation. And once again, thank you for watching.